Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today we will synchronize our Sigilium with the Active Directory to make sure all the informations are up to date automatically and effortlessly. Alright, so you can go ahead and get to your dashboard, and on the bottom section settings you have a synchronization with directories. You can go ahead and do that, and on the bottom you have edit the synchronization. So you can see that you have already a lot of fields. So these fields are imported from my HR system, which is Luca, but you can get to synchronize with pretty much anything. You also have Microsoft 365 Entra ID, for example, but for today we were going to use Luca. So you can see that we have the first name, but I also want the last name to show in the signature. So I'm going to add a Luca field. I can select last name, and then I have the Sigilium destination field, and I can also select last name. I could link those two and keep it as is, but I just want to make sure that in between there's a transformation going on with the capitalization of the first letter, for example. So I can then go ahead and link those, and there you go. So now I can go back again and deploy changes on the new sync. Alright, and that way you also have on the bottom download data. So this is an extra opportunity to make sure that everything is okay before you take any actions. So you can go ahead and do that if you're not sure. Otherwise you can go ahead and update. And there you go. So now that it has been taken into account, you can get back to the users and you can see that everyone of the company has been updated into your users section. So not only is it very time efficient because you don't get to manually add them, each and every one of them. There's also two other things that are very interesting with synchronizing with your Active Directory. And one of them is, for example, if you were to have someone new getting into the company, a trainee, you can get to automatically get them up to date with their signature ready for them. You also have another case, for example, an evolution within the company. The roles are not the same. Someone working in the communication field can grow up into a manager, for example, and it will be, thanks to the Active Directory and the synchronization, it will be up to date automatically. And the last case that we have, you probably guessed it, it's when someone were to say retired, for example, and is no longer part of the company. It will be it will be updated automatically as well. So you can see that it is very time efficient, and it makes it even easier for you to manage all your signatures and get focused on the message you want to get through rather than spending time on management. So that's it for today's video. If you have any problems, you can contact us directly, and I'll see you on the next one.